Pramod Sawant ji, you took our MLA, Mr. Antonio Fernandez, into the BJP fold in the name of development. You took 10 of them for development of Goa, for a stable government. You enjoyed a hot seat. Hot seat you enjoyed. And this is the shit that you are giving us, the common men. See, this is the shit that you are giving us, the common man, to live. People are not dying of COVID now. COVID is gone. You people are killing us in the name of development. Our ex and late CM, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, had promised in a rally, public rally, in 2017, that Goa will become garbage free. See this garbage. Mr. Pramod Sawant ji, see this garbage. And look at the Kenkre estate at the background. That's the Kenkre estate. All this garbage is going to go and fill the houses of all this. And this is not done. I'm showing you more. What is the Panchayat doing? Panchayat also has become a symbol of garbage. This is on the road. They are saying, I have even gone to the High Court. The Honorable High Court. They have told lies to the Honorable High Court that all these black spots have been removed. This continues even today. What is happening? You are killing Goans. Everybody, every minister is killing Goans. See this. See the amount of garbage. Panchayat says that people from outside the village is coming and dumping this garbage. They are spending 4.5 lakhs per month in removing garbage. Well, this is for your eyes to see. Mr. Pramod Sawant ji, you have taken our MLA in the name of development, and this is the shit that you are giving us. See the shit here. See what Santa Cruz has turned out to be. No one is even thinking of cutting those bushes, which is blocking the eyesight of vehicles. See this. People of Goa, see this. This is development. I call this development. Have you seen this? And this kind of garbage lined up the entire stretch of about 100 meters. 100 meters of garbage you'll find here. You are killing Goans in the name of development. People are not going to die of COVID in the future. People are going to die of cancer. People are going to die of cancer in the years to come. And you are responsible for this. If our MLA who has gone to the BJP in the name of development, if this is development, then God bless you. God bless your children. And God bless your family. Garbage all over Santa Cruz. I have taken up this matter with the Goa State Pollution Control Board. I have taken the matter to the Panchayats. I have taken the matter to the Honorable High Court. But this Panchayat doesn't seem to learn. This government doesn't seem to deliver. Now, as you can see there, right down is the Nalla waterway. And this is the beautiful place of Alto Santa Cruz, which represents most of the elite class. And this is what they give us. They clean their homes and dump the garbage here. Dogs feeding on it. There are some stray dogs also who are waiting to feed on it. There is one under, he has probably filled his stomach under the bush. I am fed up, and therefore I take this medium. I have gone to all and knocked all the possible places. I am now fed up, and I am now showing to the world. To the world, I want the world to see how Santa Cruz is maintained. The beauty of Santa Cruz. See this. And the TCP wants to convert more and more land to give us more and more garbage. Conversions taking place, PDAs occurring, governments doing what they want, departments doing what they want, agencies doing what they want. And this is the shit that this government is throwing upon common people. Well, you don't see these places. It's not visible to the naked eye as you pass through the road. But just stop and see for yourself what is happening.